Guys, let's watch about the Nintendo Switch 2 preparations and my thoughts. That's sweet. It looks like the original Nintendo. Oh, it's changing. Sweet. Hmm. That looks pretty good. I haven't looked at the OLED yet. Sweet. Accent colors, so make it look better. A little bit more. So you can tell which one is which. Oh, good. Only problem I see is have fun buying on day one. Scalpers are going to be out in mass to buy this immediately. So when you hear the pre-orders are going to come on, give me up at that time and early to click on it because they're going to be sold out. The problem I see is this little part right here that I'm hoping that's not connected to straight to the motherboard. That's probably the only durability issue I see. I'm hoping this is not connected to the main motherboard, like it's a secondary little piece. They might actually have a secondary piece inside, so you don't break the whole switch if that gets broken, because people are gonna break it sooner or later. Otherwise, it looks awesome. Sweet, they did a really good job. Oh, if you wonder how that light comes through that's actually just pure plastic right here. These are little plastic monitor, little pieces, and that light goes from the controller through the plastic. And they're actually magnetically attached. So if you're worried that they'll pop off, they're actually magnetic. So that's another reason why that main piece won't break that easy. It comes out hopefully this year. Oh, and also when you play the Switch 2, you can also play the original Switch game. So they did backwards compatibility like they usually do with the all Nintendo Game Boy cartridges, except the Switch. Now you can play. You have a whole library of games when you first get the Switch 2. I probably won't buy it right away because of money problems, and I really have to watch out. But I probably will buy the Switch 2 conventionally. But for the first 6 months, it's going to be completely mad. You're not going to be able to get it normally. Scalpers are going to be everywhere buying. It's going to be like the PS5 again. And then the secondary, like, they're going to have to do something to get so regular people can get hands on. And scalpers are going to have like 1,000 of these darn things on hand. That's my biggest problem will be because the scalpers are going to go completely ape for this. And then everyone's gonna be buying it, and then the regular people like me can't buy it for a decent price or with warranty, which I want warranty for this when I first get it. Oh, more information comes out in the fourth month, second of 2025. One little check. One April of the second, 2025, we're gonna find out about more about the Switch. So that's not its release date. And yes, just in case, I looked up the calendar. I don't know my mom's that well for some odd reason. Yeah, we're gonna find more out. That's gonna be a lot of people watching that day. I'll probably watch it after someone watches it. They did a fantastic job. I highly recommend you buying the Nintendo Switch comparison to the Stream Deck. Even though the Stream Deck is really good, it does have its own issues. It's a lot less durable to a point, and the Switch is more durable, but they also have their own pros and cons. So I would recommend giving a kid a Switch before giving them like a Stream Deck, because at least I know what they're gonna do. And yes, if you have little kids, please don't give them violent games right off the bat, because they're really impressionable. And if it has gambling mechanics, try to keep that away from them, because they're too young to deal with it at that time. Otherwise, fantastic console. My friend is probably gonna buy it as soon as he can if I don't give it to him for a present. He does a lot for me, and that. Like and subscribe and comment down there so I can read it later. I may not get to all of them right away because I get busy. I got a lot of stuff I'm not actually showing because there's stuff I have to do around my place, or I have to help my mom out. She does require me. Right now, I'm busy cooking hamburger and turkey to make taco meat, but I'm slow cooking it so I can get it done correctly, and then I gotta cook it up and give some of it without some of the turkey without seasoning to the dog because he's having problems as is, but that with no seasoning. I care about the pooch, even though I don't like pet dogs. I really miss the dog if he's not over every day. He's a good pooch. Catch you guys later.